Hey guys, this is Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes on another new construction video. I know a lot of people are into new construction and there's plenty of it here in Metro Atlanta, and today's video is on the Reserve at Liberty Park. Homes that were built are currently being built as well by Fischer Homes here in Braselton, Georgia. Now this community has been around for a little while already. There's a total of 150 lots. And there are 30 lots left, but I still want to cover this because some of you may or may not know about it, so I definitely want to be here to provide information. What's cool about this place is that Fischer Homes is, I would say, top quality. You've got homes that you can choose and customize your options to sheer detail. Now, I've done another video on Braselton Village, which I highly recommend. However, if you were wanting to select your own design options with them, D.R. Horton, the builder, they don't allow it. It's what you see is what you get. But here at Reserve at Liberty Park, Fischer Homes allows you to choose your design options, which is great. And so I'm going to show you in a minute the awesome model home, and you're going to love this model home, I think. And then also, you've got several different floor plans, and the one that you're going to see in the model home is the Wyatt floor plan. Now, just to touch on a couple other ones that are worth mentioning is the Winslow Masterpiece Collection floor plan, which is a ranch, and it's got a sprawling amount of square footage for a ranch that can range, depending on the variation of the floor plan, from 2,690 to 3,951 square feet, and it could be anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms and 2.5 to 4 bathrooms. Also, you've got the Leland, which is another very popular 2-story farmhouse look house. At least that's the one in the bigger picture there, but you've got other types of elevation floor plans that you could choose from, which has to do with the exterior. And these are approximately 3,045 square feet and up. Now, what's interesting is you can actually take a back way entrance into an older neighborhood that connects to the Reserve at Liberty Park, which you can see in this video. But then there's also the main entrance off of another road where you can go directly into Reserve at Liberty Park. So just keep in mind that there are those two different ways to get there. Due to the nature of the design center where you could choose your options, the build time estimated for these homes is around 6 months. Amenity-wise, you've got a clubhouse, a gym, swimming pool, and tennis courts, and it is gated. So you've got the extra security and a lot of great amenities. Twin Lakes, which is the other community that you may have heard of that's also built by Fischer Homes and several other builders, is a big, massive community that's not far from Reserve at Liberty Park. So that's another option if you wanted to take a look. And they've got 2 lakes with walking trails over there with a 40-acre natural lake. Now, one thing that I've had one client ask me is, hey, Tim, do they have any basement lots? Here at Reserve at Liberty Park, they do not, but you can get the same kind of floor plan called the Leland that will sit you at right around 4,000 square feet. Now, you could take the Leland floor plan that's here at Reserve at Liberty Park and buy that one over at Twin Lakes, which they also have for sale with a basement over there. Otherwise, you've got these other slab floor plans here at Reserve at Liberty Park. Things that I like about this place, again, is the customizability of your home with the features. Also, you're not far from Chateau Elan, the interstate, as well as Lake Lanier, and you've got other shopping and dining nearby. And again, as I mentioned in my other videos, I provide this information because I also represent buyers on the buying side with new construction. What's great is that there is no loss to you, it's only gain as you benefit from working with an agent on the buyer side. I connect people with the different kinds of lenders, if not the preferred lender, be able to look over the contract, handle the inspection process, the whole contract to close process. And if you haven't already, check out my 2 videos in the link above of the step-by-step process of buying a new construction home in Georgia, parts 1 and 2, and you will see the extreme detail that I go into it and why I'd love to be able to represent you if you're looking in this neighborhood or elsewhere.